Hello everyone, my name is Maniaka Ngwese. I am a participant of level 2 in the Holiday Tech Camp. We learned about the different types of programming languages, which are the text-based and the block-based. We started off with a block-based, where we made a maze game in PictoBlox. Throughout the game, we learn how to program two characters in such a way that one is controlled by the arrow keys for it to move, while the other one is controlled by letters. And I also learned how to program a monster to move at random in a maze. In fact, I will not build a game. After this week, I learned how to build a game. If you are still at home, not knowing what to do on your holidays, I invite you to come to the Holiday Tech Camp 2026. Bye.